Good afternoon, Mayfield. It is Thursday, April 27th, and it is Take Your Child to Work Day, and my sons did not come to school with me today, but I do have a special guest. Do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi, my name's Aiden. I'm Miss Kelly's son. I'm in 4th grade at Athelton Elementary School, and I came today because it's middle school. Who doesn't want to be in middle school?
Who doesn't? I've been in middle school for 28 years. Yes.
Wow.
Wow. All right, so we went to the shoebox and we have suggestions. Please do first question, baking brownies, thanks, and first one. All right, upside down, but first one. That's the one that we're going to do. All right, so Aiden, do you want to read the problem for us?
Sure. A brownie recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of flour to make 1 batch of brownies. To make multiple batches, the equation F equals 1/2 S, where F is the number of cups or flour, and S is the number of cups of sugar, represents the relationship. Which graph also represents the relationship? Explain how you know.
All right, so Aiden and I were thinking it might help if we make a table of values, right? So you want to start with like 1 cup of sugar?
So if we have 1 cup of sugar, then that means the flour has to be 1/2 cup. If we have 2 cups of sugar, then it has to be 1 cup of flour. And if we have 4 cups of sugar, then we have 2 cups of flour.
Okay, and so which graph matches that data?
A, because this one shows doubling, and this one is just like 1 and 1, 2 and 2. It's not showing that, like this one shows how the cups of flour is 1 and the cups of sugar is 1/2. It's not showing that.
Very good. Aiden, that was excellent. Thank you. You want to give any shout outs or anything?
No.
No? No? What's your favorite sport?
Oh, my favorite sport is definitely baseball. I like the O's. Go O's.
Go O's. All right. Thank you, Mayfield. See you tomorrow. Bye.